Murder ka?
Easy boy. Hello. Ayos ng technique mo ah. Kasi technique ka nila.
Siyempre, hamok ko eh. Guys! Hi guys!
Hello.
Dito tayo. For camping.
Wala daw peg si Iggy. So we're making him
Bushcraft tayo today.
bushcrafting.
Bushcraft. But, this guy wasn't supposed to camp today. Welcome!
Tayo bro!
Welcome!
Work tayo mamaya.
Yeah.
Mag-ano na tayo, fix ng shelter.
Yes, he has work, but look at that. So guys, this is our setup. There is Maki's tent. And there's mine. Medyo makalat. I don't know if I was able to film the whole setup kasi namatay phone ko. But yes,
But yes, we're back.
we're back. And there's Maki.
You know. Paano yung holster? Paano yung holster? Tayo na. Oh, oh! Oh! Oh!
Hello!
Oh! Oh!
Tingin, tingin, tingin. Hoy!
Alam mo if
Guys, doon nagka-camp. Over there. We made our own campsite over there. And now, dati kasi may manukan dito. So we're trying this area out. Medyo slanting nga yung ano ko, tent ko. But yeah, I actually don't know what to film. And this dog's following me. Hello! I used to have a dog like you. His name is Rowley. Kamusta kayo dyan?
safe na safe.
But anyways, since I don't know what to film, see you guys later.
May shelter na ako buha.
I'm covering the mic. Hi, I'm at the hammock. Iggy has his setup ready. And I'm filming here before I take it down. And Toby just arrived. Hi. Set up ka na.
Hello! Rain. Hi guys!
We're camping. Sinilawan ko lang. I'm with Maki. And it's so bright. The aliens are taking us. The aliens are taking us. Tinulugan kami ng friends namin. Yan yung setups nila.
Imagine this morning
Ah,
when we were going out
yeah.
here. Akala ko tayong dalawa lang talaga. And then we ended up 6 people camp.
Oh, may gumamit pa nga ng kotse ko eh. Oh, ayun oh.
Campers unite!
We ate. May tinuro ako sa kanilang recipe.
Wheat salad.
Spam and pork and beans. Tapos merong soup. and another soup. But that soup has noodles. Yun lang naman. Chill lang. Update lang. Update to the vlog. Because I forgot to shoot anything else. But this is me. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Eh, siniwan kami nila tubes. Tapos nang iwan na nga si Iggy kagabi.
It's okay. This was the original plan.
Yes.
Us two.
Just us two. But, I just woke up. So si Maki lang nakapagbabay kala tubes. Fuck! So, bye-bye. Thanks, vlog. Oh no. Oh no. But look at that. Look at that. So, that's it, guys. Bye.